Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Krystal Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Krystal Wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Krystal Wallet application. The official page of Krystal Wallet application will appear on the screen. Tap on Create New Wallet option. You can create a new wallet using your new seed phrase, Ledger, Google or Twitter as well. Choose any one of the option and tap on it. Here I'm gonna go with Google. Choose a Google account and tap on Continue. On the next page, enter or name your wallet and tap on Finish. Create a 6-digit passcode. Confirm your passcode by re-entering it, and that's how you will be able to sign up for your Krystal Wallet's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.